So, hello, my dear students. Today, I just want to inform you that due to the COVID 19, so our whole education system is collapsed. So, now, due to the lockdown, since all the schools were closed, so our education department has prescribed a new syllabus. Now, today I want to inform you the syllabus of CBSE, what are the new syllabus and what are the parts has been deleted there. So before I start, I would like to request you all that please take out the maths textbook. And today, just I am going to give you what are the parts has been deleted in maths, that is NCERT CBSE syllabus. I'm just waiting here. Please pause the video. Till then, after pausing, you bring your pencil, copy, and your maths textbook. I will just tell the details of the exercises. What are the sums has been included? What are the sums has been deleted? I think you just pause the video, bring, and now our NCERT part portion which was deleted. Lesson number 1, that is real number. Okay, so here in this Euclid's division lemma, some sums are there with this. So whatever sums are there which requires the Euclid's division lemma, all were deleted. Means almost all. You just take out exercise 1.1. Only question number 1 is important, and remaining all question number 2, 3, 4, 5 deleted. Okay, now exercise 1.2, all sums are there, but here 1.3, now it become important. Now 1.3, all sums are there. You have to prove that root 3 is an irrational number. It's a very important part because only those were included which is required for the plus 2 or for higher classes. Okay, so these all lesson number 1. Now come to lesson number 2, polynomial. Now talk about exercise 2.3. Their question number 4 and 5 deleted. Now come to lesson number 3, that is pairs of linear equations. So here whatever sums are there in cross multiplication method, all were deleted. Only substitutional method and elimination method are included, and rest all are whatever sums means cross multiplication method were removed, deleted. Okay, so whatever the sums which required for the cross multiplication, you just leave it, and if the equations comes, you can do either in elimination process or in substitution process. Now come to lesson number 4, that is quadratic equations. In quadratic equation, right from all exercises in this chapter, all word problems were deleted. Only equations you have to solve. Now come to lesson number 5, that is arithmetic progressions. Here all are there, but the sums which are related to the sum of n terms, n by 2, in the bracket, in the floor bracket 2a plus n minus 1 whole d, the method of to find out the sum of n terms, this portion has been deleted. So all the questions which were related to this formula, sum of the n terms, were deleted. Okay, so especially exercise 5.3. In 5.3, question number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, delete it. Now come to lesson number 6, that is triangles. Here two theorems and the sums based on these theorems were deleted, that is 6.6 and 6.9. What is 6.9? Is a converse theorem of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now come to lesson number 7, that is coordinate geometry. Here, what are the portions deleted? You just carefully listen. You see example number 11, 12, 13, 14, deleted. And 7.3, question number 1, 3, 4 and 5, deleted. Here question number 2, you can do it in general form, what we used to do to find out the distance from lines regarding 7.1, 7.2. In that general form, you can do the question number 2, that is of 7.3, remaining all sums were deleted. Now come to lesson number 8, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is one of the important subject, maximum questions is to ask here. But here, you see, I think you have done complementary angles. Complementary angles means there is sine 90 degree minus theta is equals to cos theta. So related, all sums related to this complementary angles were deleted. So that means in 8.3, exercise 8.3, question number 1, 2, 3, deleted. And in exercise 8.4, only identities have to do. Only identities, I think sum number 4 or 5, that is, all identities, 10 sums are there. Every identity, proving the identity is important, because for the higher classes, it's must. Okay, these are the basics you have to do. Now, come to lesson number 10, that is circle. Circle, lesson number 10. No deletion. Everything you have to do. Circle means whole chapter is important. Now 11 constructions. You see, example number 1 and 2, deleted. In exercise 11.1, except first sum, all are deleted. That means 11.2 will become important now, because there are many sums were related to draw the tangent, isn't it? So that will be must. So 11.2 is important now. Now come to lesson number 12. Areas related to circle. You see, we used to draw this areas to find out, I think, sector angle of 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. The problem based on the central angle of 120 degree, that was deleted. That was deleted. Now come to lesson number 13, that is surface area frustum. All frustum related questions was deleted. No frustum question is included there. That means exercise 13.5, all sums are related to this frustum. So whole complete exercise is deleted. Isn't it good? Now statistics. In statistics, we used to find out mean, mode, median. So for finding 3 methods are there, isn't it? Direct method, shortcut method, and one more method, step deviation method. So step deviation method is deleted. So no need to go, because it's a tough one, it's a time taking process. But step method is deviation method is deleted now. Now in cumulative ogive chart, that means 14.5 exercise is also deleted. So no need to do ogive cumulative frequency. And probability is important chapter because nothing is there, all sums are easy. I think exercise 15, and this probability for the this is the base we are learning. For the higher classes it will be one of the compulsory subject, so nothing is deleted. So far these are the revised syllabus for this academic session 2020 and 21. Okay, so you revise this, maximum much of the portions has been deleted. Now in my next video, same video, I am just going to give you what are the syllabus, what are the chapters were deleted in science. Okay, you just wait and we will proceed for science.